Who else? Onye ọzọ shọpụtara na attention esigo from. It has been a long time since we had Ebuka Obi did this, Ebuka Obi did this, Pastor Jeremiah did this, Pastor this. Who noticed that it has been a long time since I know akụkọ ahụ? Ọkwa agwara ha n'ike ya agwụ ha. Tony Progress, I greet you. Ọkwa agwara ha n'ike ya agwụ ha. Ọtụkọrọ m ama ife na-ekwu. Agwara m ndị mmadụ na onweghị anything adụghọ genuine nwere ike last. Onweghị anything adụghọ genuine nwere ike last. I told them that they are undertaking on a mission impossible. Are they not tired now? Are they not tired now? Have you noticed that even for over how many months now, we haven't heard anything about Evangelist Ebuka Obi or Zion Jigwawesi or Nda Jigwawesi? Did I not tell them that they will get tired? Have they not gotten tired after all? Yeah? Onika Guburufa. Yeah? Ika Gufufa. Yeah? They are tired of spreading lies, propaganda, preaching what they know that they can never practice, preaching humanity that they don't even understand what it is. So where are they today? They have run in different directions, and the message and the gospel is still moving to the permanent side. The other go, any union bido nwere last, and that is what I saw then. They came together in unity, whereas we know that Nahan with different intentions, and when the intentions how when the intentions how in fact they are different. So that reminds me, I think in Amam ABC go Igbo. Let me go and unblock Gulu for this new year. Let me go and unblock Gulu for this new year at least. Let me unblock him. The other go so new because now man fake account where I wash and that comment because now all man all comment ya na mo nwere ike enwe ike wapụ sharp etu si awapụ ya na mbụ. Go kele ebe fa nọ ama n'ike ya agwụfa mmadụ aha agwala tọrọ ya everyday. Ebuka Obi this, Zion ministry this, Ebuka Obi this, Zion ministry that, Ebuka Obi this, Zion ministry that. Ona fi ebe niile kele ebe ha nọ. Sarah Marisa Amaka, where are they? Did we not tell them that they are going to get tired? These days you can hardly see them talking about the church. They are now focusing on other things. Some of them decided to make Ogeshi the topic. Let Ogeshi be the topic. After all, Hasena, he who is at the top, definitely you are going to be the topic. What I go? Go to such Peter Namani. I greet you. Kelebe Fano. They don't. I just say can happen ha. Koga onwa ulonwa. Kamwe shetaro ha. Na ha rotazikwoluna guru selai. Give us 10 years from now. It is not even up to 1 year, and all of you have gotten tired. Give us 10 years from now, and you will see what we are going to achieve. Nelson, I greet you. Dubenkesere, I greet you. It is not even up to 1 year, and they have all gone to sleep. Where are they? Unaya besitara Ebuka Obi kaku. Unaya besitara Ebuka Obi kaku. Una bofusiana in different directions. I know that it will not last. When last did you hear us talk? When last Kenolo ha butekwala another story from nowhere. When last ka ị nụrụ ya ka ụka osigo be anyị na ụka ọnago ha sị na ụka ya na ụka ọnago agwara ha na ha na embark on a mission impossible. Agwara ha na ha na-achọ ka ha gwa ha latọrọfa atọ. Agwara ha na okolo elu elu wala ọgọdọ na ufere ya eburu ya oburu ya na ọgọdọ ya. Agwara ha ife agwa. Agwara ha na ife ndị nna ha fụlụ wee gbaa ọsọ na ha nwa na ife ndị nna nna anyị ha fụlụ wee gbaa ngịngị ọsọ na ha nwa okirikiri ụmụazị ka na-ewu ahụ n'afọ ya akpọrọ anyị ochigha anyị back to those dark age. I told them, and just like I said, today they are nowhere to be found. Today they are nowhere to be found. They are now changing like chameleon into different groups now. Ogechi is the real deal now. You gotta go. Yesterday I thought, but you can barely go and do this in Weyawu. I wonder all those people who JMP platform because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, how we need criticize Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Can you follow ya dazeme na platform ono keta? Nde fada niile, nde ukochukwu niile, nde men of God niile. By the way, I want to ask you people ajụjụ biko no. Ebel Damina okanozukwe achọ nka mmadụ zama ifa. Ebel Damina okanozukwe okanozukwe holiday. Ana m ajụkwa na ọ na-ajụjụ ọzọ si no biko no Ebel Damina ọnọzikwo ihe kele afa nke fada eni kele afa chetakwa anụ m afa fada nke nọ na Rome ka ebe kele afa Fada Angelo Fada Angelo ọnọzikwo na ụmụnne m. I don't hate or support anyone, but I always wondering why that guy that called himself governor think he is most perfect in all corners and think no one else has knowledge but only him. When they forget about the governor, is inconsequential here. You want to go? Father Angelo Onozikwoye. Yes, Angelo Nebu. Why have they all disappeared in thin air? I told them that it is only a matter of time. You want to go? Darkness can only be there only for a while. For example, darkness to here when I came back. The moment in turn on generator, the darkness disappeared. Where are they? I know that they cannot sustain that message. Because the realities and the facts I'm will before us can never, you cannot change fact. You cannot change fact because fact speaks for itself. You want to go? Have you seen this same gospel you have been fighting against has been in existence for over how many years? And your own gospel, which you want to show us, not now see the best and not now see phenomenon, has even failed to survive for even 1 year. All of you have run away. Nde bari ile and 11 and nde bari ime another thing abagi ime another thing. Onye amụma renji na-emeziri onwe content, na-emeziri onwe comedy. Kpọba afa ha kelebe existus bread of life no. Odenigbo na-emeziri onwe ya another thing. Waja goziri marriage counselor. Abalanze media agogo evangelist. Bosaba no afa ha kele afa ha gasino Matthias efesi na business ya square. Bosaba no afa ha kele be ha ncha niile no Kelechi TV basiri into pure comedy. Bosaba afa ha ncha niile emechana n'ikpeazụ chọpụta na aha eje nya aha eje. The rate has wee message has wee da bina we even a shokum. some days back. It is noise upon noise everywhere. Jesus Christ is in car, Bible is in car. Manacho kono mono kanjuno kanene godo. He had the light of Africa. Onozkunye majo. He had the light of Africa. Onozkunye kanajo. Ajuko kanajo bagaruno mo. Yeah. He had the light of Africa. Onozkwe. Can they be all these guys, you know? Ana majo ajujo. Yeah. Can they be all these guys in no? It's been a long time I haven't heard from them. Hey, what I go? Ana majuko na ajujo suno. He had the light of Africa. Onozikwe ko graduate yena of go life in another form. Ogota give her high neku. Of go life in another form. Ogota go that in high neku. Kele bono. Ochoro ko obu wan obu. Ochoro ko obu ndo e obu. Yeah? If I for chalo. Ife mana ndị suppose goro egbe anyị na ife a na uru adụghị na ndị amakpuche ebe a si na ebe a ka ha ya anwụ ọ na ike agwụbụghị ụnụ ajọsụ nsị ka mmechie ọnụ 5 stars egbuna ajọsụ nsị ka mmechie ọnụ ka ndị ilo ụnụ ndị nwa dibịa efesie na biznes ha ndị eze nwanyị efesie na biznes fa because fa ncha niile bịa together in unity ka ha wee fight ya ala tọrọ ha atọ. Yeah? Mana today, oh yes, he had the day kuma. He can't go far. Be wise. He can't go far. Yeah? One winter go Ghana. He got to go. Atoro ganinu, atoro ganana. Akoro nkabahaba, akoro nkebalaba. Yeah? Eke hiti bakuziri church. Weje me crossover night. That is the height of it. Eke hiti instead of a noro ye nora church we me crossover night. Franco will I greet you. O jenu na church noro na church we ba aho follow. That is the height of it all. Some days, some weeks back, months back, every day kaina hane me tiki hanokata we dachi ogbi hancha niile dala ogbi onwepu accusation elelu against Evangelist Ebuka Obi in recent time. I ask myself, Bikono, Zion Prayer Movement, Oka, must go on air. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Umeshiena, church, ministry, a lot of churches, Hemechisiana, Ifefa Neme, Enyedeme no Yenu Noka, Akudeme na tight no Noka, Ekudeme na Muma, miracle, I can emisko miracle. All these things can emenu Noka. Kerife dachisiri ndo no hanchani na dalogwi. Chetakwo kan siwe kwosiri half a how. Nke bolo nwe yo denigbo ya wo go na ọ na-egosi aye ife ndosha na alụ. Why na nwa na ebe a na aka ụka. Odenigbo na ri emeziri onwe ya another content. Kele afa yo onye amụma arenji wuzi a comedian ko waja wo a marriage counselor ko wuzi marriage counselor and on alụkwọlụ guidance and counseling n'ofu ụzọ nke Kelechi TV disappear mmadụ amụziri ebe Kelechi na-anọ kpọrọ afa fafa ncha niile. Where are these guys? Asị na mme newe ha ndu ka weeks gaa ka abata aha ọfụ abatakwa aha ọfụ mfọkwa n'okwu otu ife a ka a na-ekwu kini ibe fa ncha niile nọ. Have you seen how God defeated them within the shortest time. Have you seen how God defeated them within the shortest time? This gospel, Hana Bamba, like I said before, has been in existence even before we were born. I am 30-something years today, going to 40 years. And since I was born, now I am almost getting old. The world has never changed. The world has never changed. It has been the same world that we have been hearing, not even adulterated ones. If that message can be sustained for over 500 years, and they could not even push their own propaganda and lies beyond 1 or 2 years, it is enough. Kelebe these guys, Kerifa na these guys say they talk anapo. Hey, Kelebe afafa, chitanu ma afa these guys. These guys okay no how either apagari eje disturb o nde either apagari eje disturb nde jelo evangelism. Kelebe those guys you know. How can they all disappear? How can they all disappear? They left this job now for only Ejike Moment of Truth, who is not even doing it perfectly. They left this job now alone. Even Ejike Moment of Truth, others still dedicate time more. It was dedicated here before. I ask myself, church is still doing an Igbo. How much go? I am asking you. We are going to drag all of them out again. Achohome man also kanaba. All na has submit go to Ifeanyi. They should be able to come out openly. Why? Because no, I have submit go to Ifeanyi. People cannot just go in like that. I cannot allow you people. So this is another time for me. Ma dosetono. Ma dostono from Eba Honono. You cannot hunt what you cannot buy. The other go, and you cannot start what you cannot finish. Onu ye make it full no America church na in this our generation. Owu no emehe ma ho naka. If you go church, unu ge melili na church Ghana in this our generation. Every day, Ebuka Obi this, Ebuka Obi that. Was that not the foundation of a lot of problem I know today? Remember, it was a church, Ebuka Obi, pastor. It was what led to the arrest of Matthias. It was the same thing that led to the arrest of Ijele. It was the same thing that led to the problem between J-Pack and Dogechi, who the biggest of them all. Have we forgotten? Yeah? Have we forgotten that it was all these things that led to one thing or the other and disunity among our people? Where are those people? Where are they hiding? Kelebe Humphrey no. Humphrey Obigade also. Kelebe Humphrey no. Kelebe Star no. Oduka go these guys. Oduka he face go reality, which they have been telling us to face all this while. I think they have come to face the reality. They have come to face the reality. And the reality is that no fake. But I am sure none of them will be willing to answer ofeke. Any of them yacho kapo you fake. Can it be fun? Look at how we are at minus Okogesia now. Don't na Facebook uketa. Ufodu n'ime ha la shapupa na also, since they already know that the other one is the battle they can never win, they now quickly rush into Ogechi's matter. Jeba blow shedonolan. I want that I will remain a Christian from beginning to end, and I will see to the end of all this Obagala. Gulu said Namafubo that agitations, people are getting tired. I asked him, who are those people? On the no Gulu. Oh, you were poor. Hachawa Zebeha Bidaka, because Gido Ziaka, where Fuzebeha Bidaraka. Because Gidaka, where Fuzebeha Bidaraka. I told you people, Madaya Gushi Mwa. You cannot go la chigumba. Makanonya muchi mwa. Emana nkonya habugo. Of course, I'm going to unblock Gulu. I'm going to unblock Gulu. Unblock Gulu this night because Emisi Gomu etos we na tag him. Emana ngwalono na mafubo onye tag him ka Gulu ezigbo. So definitely I'm going to unblock him this night. I'm going to unblock him this night. So now that you people have understand that now that you people have understand that in Ifes go gwalono na ebu unu na eje no nwere ifunu ye menwu eba. Is it not time for you people to come out and tell people, okay, you know what I'm talking about? But I think it's high time for you people to come out for the purpose of ndewe light brains. Ono deceive. Because a massego no one ono deceive. Maka no one do deceive. One do no deceive. Unu deceive. Mana ka unu si wee gbafesi ọsọ dum ezigbo egwu. Unu si wee gbafesi ọsọ dum ezigbo egwu. Unu wee rie mbọ wee hapụsa ejike na-ebighị edizi aka. Evangelist Ebuka Obi omechie na church ụkọ nago na ana Igbo anakwụsị n'ime miracle. Jeremiah omotofefe ojewe na nga. Apostle Johnson Suleiman omechie na church ya. Anglican churches and Catholic churches ha emechisigo churches ha. Ọkwa gwara m na agwa, you people go nowhere. You must finish what you have started. You must buy what you have hunted it all this while. Ike agwụgo ebe ka unu debere ume unu ya eji wee ekwuru m mgbe a sị ha bido da na your immediate family, because na unu do serious na ife unu na-eme. Ịtọga mmadụ ya ebido from your immediate family. Yes, ịtọga mmadụ ya ebido from your immediate family. O nwere another case which I am going to raise again after this broadcast that will show you people that na okwu asị ada last. Propaganda you can never sustain propaganda. You will keep lying until lies finish in your mouth, and you people run away like cowards. Ayadazi anunu husband boy mbata ha na Facebook ka negari anya olejiri mbata na Facebook ka negari anya olejiri otago tag ba no fa here Facebook nwezuru de quiet odo imakwa iwupu kisi ogishia aye enjoy your absolute quietness na Facebook. We don't hear people making noise every day. We don't see people shouting. We don't see people doing all manner of things. Everywhere to come. Not until this arrest Ogeshi. Not until this arrest Ogeshi Bagota. Until then, anyị nọ in peace. But I never wanted to call the attention of these guys then. I said, let me allow it ka anyị baa aha ọfụ ka m wee jụọ nda no na anọzikwo ye. Ahobele they never see anything. Ife ndị nna nna ụfụrụ gbafuo nya ka nwata dụkarụ nya ka nwata dụkarụ ụfụrụ jedo na ebe a sị na ya nwụ ebe a. Ife ndị nna nna ha fụrụ gbafuo isene ka ha wee mara ife. Isene ka ha wee mara ife. Ị na-etokwo ha sị na ife ha meela anyị ewu nka. Since they trust na their sense of judgment, since they trust their judgment, why is it that not only Christianity would the only thing ha embrace and go decided they embrace? Don't you think that out of that wisdom had you discover ofensala, discover ofeguse, structure 5 food from cassava according to Waja? Don't you think that with that same brain had you discover all these things, structure all these things? Don't you think that no, that same brain melu had you folk and the missionaries say bialo where see nanka unya yakala yemma? They abandoned their own and they followed development, science and technology. Don't you think so? Why are you disagreeing in their sense of judgment here? Do you just want us to acknowledge them that they existed? We have never, I don't think Nama Fugeni of us who deny it, that we know that they existed. So that one is not, it's out of context. It is out of context. I just came here to remind you people that it is still too early for you people to back out. I think it is too early for you people to back out. Ono back is out too early. I am waiting for you people. Kamaro the first set of people we able to buy camera heshi. Yeah. Now this is your Anambra intuition. They used to insult you, but it reminds me of my uncle. Now this is your Anambra intuition. They used to insult you, but it reminds me of my uncle. Oh, it's Botonya Anambra Kamu now. Is my language is my identity. A other go. My language is my identity. What else can you do if not by Mongwe da sonu by a other go or by Mongwe da sonu by a other? So you people should go and tag them wherever they are. I want them to come. Guanoha, now this broadcast Meluha is just to remind them that they should stop sleeping. They should wake up. I already know they are just making noise. They can't do anything. You see, Guru say I knew 10 years. I knew 10 years, but even 1 year, now that 10 years, I got Ikagugo. Hanapusia Kala Dalad. The other go. No, before Soncho, if not to make this simple observation. Makomo, go on and them mother shop tabohe. That Naya has gone, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I had a square, no Pastor Kaji, women, Pastor Kaji Yarime. It is a welcome development. The other go. It is a welcome development because no ye sita, ositata, doama, odurubo, and onye mweta can a huge opportunity of doing better with information. I still remain your favorite Ezugo Global TV. Catch you phone.